Yo everybody, what is up? Young Flux back for another beat cookup video. Today we're gonna be doing like a slow lo-fi type xxxtentacion, maybe even like Joji type beat. Let's see how the drums end up turning out, but we've already got the melody picked up. Another one from the Descent melody kit here. I'm gonna be using this kit for the rest of the week, and then next week we'll be moving on to some other shit. So this one's 92 BPM, and this is what it sounds like. As you can see, it's definitely some like lo-fi acoustic guitar, really slow, kind of groovy type. It's in A major key. So let's do a bit of quick work on the melody here. See what we can do. Let's cut out some of the low ends to make room for the bass. Let's add a compressor, vintage. Reverb. Some like groovy type shit. Let's see. Let's kind of find some like lo-fi drums for this as well. Let's see what we got. Maybe something like this for the kick. I'm gonna use this for kind of like the second hi-hat pattern. As I usually do, I'm gonna pan it left to right. Just since this sound is a bit like heavier, it sticks out a bit more. I'm not gonna pan it as far to the left and right. I'm only gonna go halfway up here. Now I'll add it to the playlist so we can see what we're working with. A snare. Actually, let's do another hi-hat pattern first. Gonna layer that snare. There we go. Ooh. This beat's chill as fuck so far. Alright, let's get some 808s in there. Alright, if you don't have headphones on, it's going to be really hard to hear that bass. It's definitely more of a sub bass, but I'm going to add a preset that I made on here, and then we're going to mess with the EQ a bit, and we can probably make this stand out a lot more. Let's try this one. Alright. So, split by channel. Let's delete all this. Move the love filter automation clip up. Select everything. And let's move it all into right there. That's where the hook's going to drop. So then, let's have an intro. Like so. Boom, boom. On our hi-hats here. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just making more variations in the melody. So I added just a second layer of the exact same melody but put it on a different channel so it has no effects on it. I lowered the volume a bit and panned one a bit to the left and one a bit to the right just to create some width. And I'm going to add a third one here and put gross beat halftime on it and kind of stick it in the background there. So I'm going to put that one on channel 11. I'm going to send it right down the middle. As I said, I'm going to put on gross beat. We're going to right click, go momentary, half speed, and then we're also going to put on a 1/4 or 1/2 bit gate and turn the volume down to like 5–10% there. So that'll create this pattern in the background. And we're going to route this one to channel 1 to get all those effects from there as well. I'm going to turn it down a bit more and add some distortion on it. Alright, so that's the structure of the whole beat here. We're just going to add some automation to it. Add a couple of risers. Alright guys, there's the beat. Done diddly. Thanks for watching again. Let's do another cook up tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video. Leave a comment if you liked it. Don't forget to check out my Prod Young Flux YouTube channel if you'd like to download this beat free for profit to use on your own song. I'd love to hear what you got. So if you make a song with the beat, drop a comment and show the community what you made. Let's get it. Thanks guys. Peace out.